Hello everyone, welcome. This is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel, and we have an unboxing to do from JoAnn. This is a big box that she's sent full of supplies for her sections, JoAnn's Handmade and JoAnn Supplies in the shop, linked below. So I thought we would go through this together. Normally you don't get Sunday videos, but hey, you never know what I might have up my sleeve. So here we go. These are upholstery fabric bundles, so a lot of you love to use these to cover your journals. They're nice, they're heavy duty, they really add a lot of value to a journal and sturdiness to a journal. So this is a variety bundle, set of 5, so well, that would be a really nice one. I like neutral ones. That's really cool because you can put different images on the front and make them fantastic. What else do we have here? Okay, some little bags. This one says hot cocoa. It's a wallpaper bag. Oh, more labels. So she sold out of these before. They have little Christmas sentiments on them. I think this is the same. Yep, that's the same. We have wallpaper. This one is called Sweetness. 7 sheets, 8 by 12. Let's see if I can flip through it. Normally, I clip on this side so I can flip through. So let me do that. Pretty. Oh, look at that one. Perfect for a nature journal. Gorgeous floral there. That one has really pretty flowers on it. Beautiful rose there. This one is called Soft Sable. Pretty. So there's some different sizes in here. Approximately 8 by 12. Some maybe a little smaller, a little about that size. That's pretty. Here is a pack of something. Design team project for Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah. This is Candied Christmas. God, I can't talk today. All my words have been coming out really crazy. Journal and accordion envelope. Includes number clusters for a December daily. So let's take a look. This is the journal, Candied Christmas. Look at how cute. So this is a wallpaper cover. It definitely looks like cotton candy. I love the little stocking, little ribbon. That is pretty. Ooh, very pretty. Okay, so I think this is just a plain journal. And then the ephemera folder that we will look at in just a minute, you will be able to decorate. And she has number clusters, so that way if you're using this as a December daily, you will be able, this is a little altered paper clip, super cute. All right, so here's your clusters of numbers, so you can use them throughout whatever your days are. You have some lace and tulle. You have journal cards and ephemera that coordinate from the kit, and a whole bunch of ephemera as well that you can use. All coordinates, and you have the ephemera folder to keep it in. Okay, so that is the altered paper clip, which you can use that as well. Try to keep all this stuff together if possible. And then you can use this seam binding piece as a journal closure when you're done. So that is a sweet set, Candied Christmas. That would be in JoAnn's Handmade. More wallpaper. This is Sagey. I find a good way to flip through it. That's a pretty one. Beautiful. Hound Run. Lots of grays, some amazing texture. Really cool texture. And then Willow Lane. Beautiful. Let's see, more upholstery fabric. What do we have here? This one is called Mixed Bag. Just different, kind of neutral ones. This is beautiful. Lots of texture there. Okay. This one is called Bold Beauty. There's a blue that is really soft, and then this red. Be good for Christmas too, I think. This one's called Moon Dust. Pretty. Just working our way through the unboxing. Okay, Candied Christmas Pockets and Tags. 2 sets. We will just look at 1 set, but no, there are 2 available. They'll be similar. Ooh, look at how pretty. 4 pockets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they have, like, this one has a tag. This one has a journal card. Another journal card here. And then another tag. Those would be so pretty for Happy Mail or in your December daily. Also a piece of pink tulle. And you can use that for decorating. 2 sets of those. You may even want to buy both sets depending upon which Christmas journals you're working on this year. Still using Candied Christmas. It looks like she made you some ephemera folders, or I'm sorry, accordion folders with really cute little ephemera pieces that you can use, and journal cards, and then some ribbon or tulle in there with a pink lace closure, and there's, I think, 2 of these. And tie it back up. Yes, I am working out of the box this time. Makes it a little easier for me right now. So 2 of those. What is this? Wallpaper Christmas bag with 4 filled pockets. Nice. Those are cute. This would be great for your Christmas journals or Happy Mail. Memory keeping. Of course, reuse this pouch. Lots of different ways to do that. So that says number 2 wallpaper Christmas bag. Number 1 wallpaper Christmas bag, but I think same thing inside. Yep, same thing inside. Christmas pockets and tags, 24 pieces. Okay, that's pretty much what was in the other one. Just a bigger selection here. She's used some Christmas cheer ephemera. Beautiful paper too. Really pretty. There's a lot in there. 24 pieces. And you can use this bag that has the Merry Christmas present on it as a journal page. Round hanging Christmas tags and fabric ribbon. Okay. So here's a fabric ribbon, Christmas themed, and then little hangy tags. Super cute. A whole bunch of them. They're on bulb pins, so you can hang them on your journal pages, journal cover. Keep everything together. Christmas bag. Whoa, this is big. Christmas bag of tags and pockets. Oh, 5 sets. Lindsay, the wallpaper is for you. Oh, the bag is for me. Okay. So that is just holding these sets. There's 5 sets. And then she said, I can keep the bag. Okay, so they're like this. And then they are full of these really cute. These are great for belly bands, pockets, tucks. They're excellent. Christmas bag of tags and pockets. And there are 5 similar sets. So you can get one of those. 10 pockets, 50 pieces. Oh, this is one of those. It's like a little booklet with cute little, there's an envelope, different envelopes and bags, and then they are full of Christmas ephemera. Super cute that you can use in your journals. And it's tied up. This is a gorgeous piece of lace. I know you'll probably want to use that on something. I'm off screen here tying to the right. You guys know if I don't keep stuff together, I get all mixed up. So let's keep everything together. 3 sets of Dreamy Club pockets and tags. Okay, so JoAnn and I have an image club. You've probably heard me talk about it before. you can join. It's the front page on our website. We've just finished a new collection, a new journal kit on there called Blooms and Butterflies. But here she's using Orchid Dreams and Fresh Lavender and Golden Serendipity. Oh, she did use some Blooms and Butterflies. So Creamy Cappuccino. Anyway, you can go and get all the info on that. It's $20 lifetime, and we add about one new kit every 2 weeks, but we upload as we create, so you get to watch the kits being built. For example, today I finished up Blooms and Butterflies. I still had some to do. She had finished her part. And then she picked the new digitals because we both have a subscription to the same kind of like digital site where we can create things. And so everything, we kind of pick the same digitals and we each have licenses to use them. And then she picked the next one and I started it. It's called Floral Wildlife. I think you will love it. There's one page in there and you'll get to watch it built and come to life if you are a member. So these are all from Dreamy Designs Club. Very dreamy, creamy, tons of florals. So beautiful. Oh, this is one set. She's done 3 sets. So you'll get a random set. We just looked at one. Okay, what else do we have here? No. What is this? Oh, this is one of those ephemera folders again. It looks like it has clusters in it. Lots and lots of clusters. And they are numbered, so you can use them for December dailies. So cute! 1 through 31, it looks like. I'm missing something. The December daily number clusters. Yes, so that's what this is. I'm wondering if there is a... Nope, no paper clip for this one. I will put a little green paper clip on it. That way it holds together. So there's this one and this one. They're the same thing. I think. Yeah. I think this is the same thing too. Nope. This is labels and fabric. Altered paper clip. That's beautiful with those cardinals. Ugh. So yummy. And then, I don't know what this is, but this is wallpaper. So beautiful. Oh, just little double pockets with vintage papers, vintage printed papers and journal cards that you can use in your journals. Super pretty. And of course, reuse that envelope. So quite a lot to choose from today. I hope you really, really enjoy shopping, finding some goodies, and creating. Thank you, JoAnn, for the inspiration. I'm going to pack everything back in here so I don't lose it. And I will see all of you next week with some more amazing videos, amazing items. Cannot wait to see you then. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope you will subscribe and leave a comment below about how your Christmas crafting is going.